Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So if you need a morning pick-me-up, you gotta try this hazelnut espresso. You are going to love it. I love it, and it definitely wakes me up. So let's make it. Let's make a hazelnut espresso smoothie. Let's make our hazelnut espresso smoothie. So I have just some plant-based milk in here, almond milk. You could use whichever milk you like. I'm adding some of our sweetener here, which is, it already has the sugar included, which is our hazelnut creamer. We're gonna add a capful of pure vanilla extract in here. Now we're adding our vanilla yogurt. You can add whichever yogurt of your choice that you like in here. So we're gonna add just a little cinnamon, give it a nice little touch to our hazelnut. Then we're going to add our brown sugar, a spoon and a half, 2 spoons. It is espresso coffee, it can be bitter. So, okay, now we're gonna add a scoop of collagen. You can use whichever protein powder you like. Just love the collagen because it's great for your hair, nails, and skin. And we are going to add our oatmeal. Gotta get your fiber in here. And it also helps to thicken your smoothie, but mostly for the benefits of it having your fiber. So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3.5. A little oatmeal never hurt anyone. So here's our espresso. I made the espresso and I froze it. So it's now coffee balls, coffee espresso balls. Oh my gosh, it smells so great. Here we go. Here's our vitamin content. So now we are going to blend our hazelnut espresso smoothie. Okay, so we are pouring our hazelnut espresso smoothie. And here are a list of ingredients. Okay, so our resident taste tester is here and he's gonna taste our hazelnut espresso smoothie. Come on, G, tell me.
Let's see. Well, definitely tastes like coffee. You know, you can definitely taste a little bit of hazelnut in there. It adds a nice little bit of sweetness, and then the espresso, you can taste it there faintly. It's not too strong, but it's not too not strong. So overall, if I was having this in the morning, it would definitely wake me up, and it's a very tasty, refreshing smoothie at the same time.
All right, let me see if she's right or not, because we can't agree to disagree or just disagree. Definitely taste the hazelnut, and I love hazelnut. So if you're not a hazelnut lover, you can always use vanilla. You taste it, he's right. You definitely taste the espresso, but it's not like overpowering. So if you're a person that likes strong coffee, you may want to add a little bit more. But if you're a person that just likes coffee and you can take it in moderation, this is for you. Definitely give this a try. This is really good, guys. Come back and watch us in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself. And God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and loving every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.